Okay, so here is my setup. I'll just switch on. The volume should go very high because if you see the speaker is humongous. You see?
Papa, don't think I said I love him near enough. But here on the bended side, and his eyes are growing old. But his blood runs through my instrument, and the song is in my soul. My life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader.
Tuesday and only at Sleep Country.
Weeknights after the final board, or first thing in the morning. Steve Cooley is host.
So there is definitely something wrong
TSN2.
somewhere. You must have put some wires wrong somewhere.
Complete with expert analysis.
You'll have to see the wiring what you did. So cross-check with the schematic you have. If you have the wiring diagram, that'll really help you out.
Tuesday to Friday on TSN2.
If you're hearing this, chance.
Now on 2020 update on Sportsnet 590.
So give it a try and see where the problem is, and because we'll have to now see where we have done something wrong, which is not working properly. And this is why I was asking you if you can send me a picture of the underside of the chassis where you worked on. Maybe I can figure out something. Okay, good luck.